Hello students, welcome to maths class. I am your Hina ma'am, and today we will discuss one more example on the power series solutions of differential equations. Okay, so this is our example, that is example number 2, that is find the power series solution x into d square y upon dx square plus dy upon dx plus 2y is equals to 0 in powers of x minus 1. Okay, so yesterday's example and in this example, what is the difference here? The difference is nothing but in yesterday's example, I have the power series in powers of x only, because there is my ordinary point is 0. There was my ordinary point 0. Here my ordinary point is nothing but it is 1. So let us discuss the answer. That is, first of all, I have to write the given differential equation, that is x into d square y upon dx square plus dy upon dx plus 2y is equals to 0, and I will call it as equation number 1. Now again I have to make this in the form of standard differential equation, and that is this d square upon dx square plus p of x dy upon dx plus q of x y is equals to 0. For that I have to divide equation number 1 by x. This becomes d square y upon dx square plus 1 upon x dy upon dx plus 2y divided by x is equals to 0. After equating to the standard form, my p of x and q of x are px is 1 divided by x and q of x is 2 divided by x. I can easily analyze that my x, that is px and qx, are both analytic at the point x is equal to 1, isn't it? Because if I substitute x is equal to 1 in p of x and q of x, my equations are analytic functions. So I can say that 1 is an ordinary point of the given differential equation, and we have already assumed that our solution should be like m is equal to 0 to infinity am x minus 1 to the power m, that can be expanded like y is equal to a naught plus a1 into x minus 1 plus a2 into x minus 2 square, and the other higher terms. I will call it as equation number 2. Now I have to find out various powers, like various values like d square y upon dx square dy upon dx, to substitute in the original equation. Remember, we have to substitute d square y upon dx square dy upon dx and y values in our original equation, but not in the standard form equations. Okay, तो हम लोग को इसमें सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है, ना कि इसमें. तो डिफरेंशिएट क्या होगा? dy upon dx is equal to summation m is equal to 1 to infinity m am x minus 1 to the power m minus 1, and again differentiate it. We will get d square y upon dx square, and that is equal to m varies from 2 to infinity m minus 1 am x minus 1 to the power m minus 2. I have to substitute y value, dy upon dx value and d square y upon dx square value in my given equation, that is in the original equation. Then the original equation becomes x as it is, summation m is equal to 2 to infinity m minus 1 am x minus 1 to the power m minus 2 plus summation m is equal to 1 to infinity m x minus 1 to the power m minus 1 plus 2 into summation m is equal to 0 to infinity am x minus 1 to the power m, and that is equal to 0. Now I have to make this x in the form of x minus 1, because if I take that in the form of x minus 1, then I can convert the power of x minus 1 to the power m minus 2 to the other power. For that I have to make this x as x minus 1. For that I will subtract and add 1 in this x. This becomes x minus 1 plus 1, and I will write all the terms as it is. Now what is this? Again we have to first write x minus 1 into this value plus 1 into this value, that is x minus 1 into the term plus summation, that is as it is. Again these two terms I will keep as it is. Now after equating the powers, that is x minus 1 to the power 1, x minus 1 to the power m minus 2, I will get m minus 2 plus 1 will be m minus 1. This will remain as it is, this is also as it is, and I will keep this also as it is. And I will call this equation, that is this simplified equation, as my equation number 3. Now as we discussed in the previous class, what we have to do in the next step, we have to make the various powers of x minus 1 to m. For that we have to equate m minus 2 to k, m minus 1 to k. First I will equate m minus 2 to k, that is substitute m minus 2 is equal to k, my m will be k plus 2, and the value this m is equal to 2 to infinity becomes k is equal to 0 to infinity, and in place of m I have to keep m k plus 2, k plus 1, because m is k plus 2, minus 1 will be k plus 1, a k plus 2, x minus 1 to the power k. And also m minus 1 is equal to k, my m will be k plus 1, and summation varies from, if I substitute in place of m k plus 1 is equal to 2, k is equal to 2 minus 1, matlab k is equal to 1 to infinity. In place of m we have to substitute k plus 1, then this equation becomes k plus 1 k x minus 1 to the power k a k plus 1. And also we have one more term containing x minus 1 to the power m minus 1, that is nothing but m am x minus 1 to the power m minus 1. This is also becomes, summation will be from 0 to infinity, k plus 1 a k plus 1 x minus 1 to the power k. So as we discussed in the last class, I have to replace all the k's by m, and I have to substitute in my equation number 3, and that is this particular equation. In this equation we have changed these powers as k. Now we have to replace that k by m, and again we have to write this equation number 3. So equation 3 becomes summation m is equal to 1 to infinity m plus 1 m am plus 1 x minus 1 to the power m, plus summation m is equal to 0 to infinity m plus 2 m plus 1 am plus 2 x minus 1 to the power m, and summation m is equal to 0 to infinity m plus 1 am plus 1 x minus 1 to the power m, plus summation m is equal to 0 to infinity 2 am x minus 1 to the power m is equal to 0. What is the next procedure? We have to make all the summations to one form, that is here considered my highest summation is from m is equal to 1 to infinity, isn't it? So m is equal to 1 to infinity, I have to make these m is equal to 0, m is equal to 0, m is equal to 0. I have to make these three will should be m is equal to 1 to infinity. For that I have to keep this term as it is, and I have to substitute m is equal to 0 in the this example, that is m is equal to 0. 0 plus 2 will be 2 into 1 into a2 x minus 1 to the power 0 will be 1, and I have to write this as summation m is equal to 1 to infinity. Similarly this and this. So after making all the summations to m is equal to 1 to infinity, my constant terms are like 2a2, a1, 2a0. I will keep all the terms in one side, and I will take summation m is equal to 1 to infinity and all the terms in one side. That is m plus 1, am plus 1, m plus 1, m plus 2, am plus 2, m plus 1, am plus 1, plus 2am x minus 1 to the power m is equal to 0. I have taken x minus 1 to the power m coefficients in one side, and also the summation is same. So I can write like this. Again, I have to equate the various powers. So this term contains the power of x as x raised to 0, isn't it? So I can equate this to 0, and also x minus 1 to the power m, the coefficients to 0. then I will get 2a2 plus a1 plus 2a0 is equal to 0. As I told you, I have to make or I have to write the power series solutions in the form of constants a0 and a1, isn't it? So I have to take the value of a2 here. By keeping a2 in one side, I will shift all the terms to the other side, and I will find out a2 is equal to minus a1 divided by 2 minus 2a0 divided by 2 will be minus a0 only. So I have my a2, I have to find out a3. For that, I have to find my recurrence relation, isn't it? What is this recurrence relation? I have to equate the various power, that is the highest power of x minus 1, and that is given by what? To the power m, that is to 0. The coefficients are m plus 1, am plus 1 plus m plus 1, m plus 2, am plus 2 plus m plus 1, am plus 1 plus 2am is equals to 0. Consider here I have am plus 1 and am plus 1. So I can write this as m into m square plus m, and here I have m plus 1. The coefficients into am plus 1, and I will keep this as it is and this also as it is, and that is equal to 0. I will keep am plus 2 coefficients and am plus 2 in one side, and I will shift all the terms to the other side. This becomes minus 2am minus m square plus 2m plus 1, and if I take am plus 2, then these becomes divided by m plus 1, m plus 2. Now I have to find out a3, a4, a5 and so on. For that, I have to substitute m is equal to 1, 2, 3 so on in the recurrence relation. If m is equal to 1, my a3 will become, okay, whenever m is equal to 1. Whenever m is equal to 1, this becomes a1 plus 2 will be a3 is equal to minus 2a1 minus 1 plus 2 plus 1 a2 divided by 1 plus 1, 1 plus 2. So that is becomes minus 2a1 minus 4a2 divided by 6. After simplifying, that is, what is my a2 value? We have the value of a2, that is minus a1 divided by 2 minus a0. And after simplifying this, that is minus 2a1 I will keep as it is, and this multiply these two, we will get minus into minus plus, and 4a1 divided by 2 will be 2a1, and this is plus 4a0 divided by 6. So my a3 is 2a0 divided by 3. Whenever m is equal to 2, my a4 will be like minus 2a2 minus 4 plus 1 into a3 divided by 12. Substitute a2 and a3 values. We have a2 as minus 7 by 2 minus a0, and a3 as 2a0 by 3 divided by 12. After simplifying, that is 2 and 2 will get cancelled, we will get a1 plus 2a0 minus 6a0, because 3 and 3 into 2, 6 divided by 12. Again, this will be a1 divided by 12 minus 4a0 divided by 12, and this is my a4. Again we can simplify this, a1 by 12 minus a0 by 3. Therefore we can find out the solution by substituting all these values in the equation 2, and that is y is equal to a0 plus a1 x minus 1 plus a2 x minus 2 square plus so on. What is my a2? a2 is minus a1 by 2 plus a0, a3 is 2a0 by 3, and a4 so on. This is my required result. So this is a solution whenever we have your ordinary point as 1, 2 and so on, that is other than 0. Tomorrow again we will discuss some more examples on the power series solutions for now. And if you have any doubts, then please ask me in the comment box. And thank you so much.